Folks, welcome back to the show. Thank you for clicking into this and every episode of Hooked on OC right here, WMDT 47 ABC every Sunday morning. 21 years.
It's incredible.
How old were you?
When it started, 8.
8 years old when it started, folks, and I am back and super excited about today's segment because I'm at the Ocean Pines Golf Club and I'm with a kid that I used to coach in 9th and 10th grade, and I couldn't be more happy and I couldn't be more proud of Matt Ruggiere, PGA. I'm going to give you one of these and one of these.
Absolutely.
Great to see you, dude.
Great to see you.
It is
Great
so
to be
great
back.
to see you. I'm so proud of you, man.
Thank you. I
Head
appreciate
golf
it.
professional here at Ocean Pines. I used to work here. I was the assistant pro for 6 years, I think it was.
Hired me.
I did hire you. You worked at Bag Drop for a little while. You're back here in Ocean Pines and running the golf course, and dude, it looks fantastic.
Yes, yeah, the course is in incredible
really looks
shape.
great.
I'm really happy to be back on the Eastern Shore. I was down in Florida, out in Colorado, jumped around a little bit doing the PGA program, but
Yep.
me and my family are happy to land back home in Ocean Pines.
Yeah, the course looks fantastic. John Viola, general manager of Ocean Pines. I live in Ocean Pines, so I can say this. Doing a fantastic job. They're giving you some latitude to make some changes. Like, we're going to play 18 up here now. You guys did some renovations here at 18, taking trees down around the course. Lots of good stuff happening.
Absolutely, yeah. The trees coming down helped with some of the airflow getting through, a little more sunlight to the course
Yep.
to help the conditions. We have a new bulkhead here on 18. I'm excited for you to play and see. It gives the tee shot a little more risk reward, but then a little more kind of reward on the approach, a little bit more flexibility coming into the green there.
Yeah, let's go check this out. We're going to play 18 right now, see how bad I can be, see how pro he can be. And once we get on the other side of it, we're going to show you the new clubhouse, and then we'll talk about what's going on here at Ocean Pines. You ready?
Looking forward to it.
4 left. Let's go.
We can carry him.
Condos. That's what we call a small bucket on the first tee. There we go.
There it is.
That was well struck.
That one was well struck. That had a good sound to it.
All right.
Taking advantage of that new bulkhead.
I'm just going to say this real quick. These are my clubs, and they're what's called upright, meaning, so that's why I think I'm pulling them left. Oh, I like that.
Like that swing. That was a good one.
That was a great swing. Ooh!
Speed there.
Get in!
Oh, man.
Man, what a finishing hole.
That was
It was a
awesome.
great finishing hole before. This new bulkheading, that gives this really playable now. You can't miss it quite as far left as I did, but you can miss it left and still play the hole in. You get this nice open area here in the front of the green. If you hit it short, you don't have to like blast it past the flag stick like we used to have to do. You got a real chance this hole finishing up.
If you have a long club in here, it's nice to be able to take on the flag. If you hit a little overdraw, you're fine. You know, you still have the penalty of like a short-sided chip shot, but your ball is dry at least, and you can bail out short. Yeah, it just creates that beautiful finishing touch here.
It really does. Guys, this is really, I think, still the only Robert Trent Jones Sr. course in the area by a long shot. But what do you got going on? So you got camps for ladies and kids. You got all sorts of, you do a clinic here.
We have the Ruggiere Golf Academy.
Yeah,
we got a couple coaches on staff. We do a weekly clinic. Thursdays at 1 o'clock, we have a tune-up clinic. Saturdays at 11:30, we have a tune-up clinic. And those are geared more for the adults that need a little fundamental tune-up or want to just meet some of the coaches before getting into the lesson package.
Yep. We
do juniors. Wednesday nights our junior league program, so they get a chance to get on the course and compete a little bit. We have beginner 101. We have intermediate 202 classes. So yeah, all that can be found on the Ocean Pines golf course.
From everybody that's like somebody that's just below you and needs a couple of fixer-uppers. The guy just getting into it.
That's kind of the goal, is have a program for everyone. If you're brand new to golf, whether you're 4 years old or 80 years old and want to learn the game, we have a program for you, and then we have ways that you can kind of keep climbing through the ranks and start working your way out to the course.
Fantastic membership here at Ocean Pines. It's all like one big family, and I mean family like an Italian family, because they invite people into the family as well. It's not like, hey, we're members and you're not.
So we have a fun second half of the season coming up. So we have a luau event August 23rd. It's a 2-man scramble, and you'll also be basically paired with another twosome. It's a blind drawing at the end to who's going to make your team of 4. We're doing a summer buffet luau afterwards, so it's going to be pretty good. The Touch Italy team does an incredible job with the clubhouse bar and grill. We have a parent-child championship in September.
Okay.
Really excited about that.
Anybody can play that?
Anyone can play it.
Oh, I'm going to bring
couple
Ryan
different
out for that
flights.
one. Okay.
Yeah, bring Ryan on out. That'd be awesome. We'd love to see you guys back out here. Then we have a couples championship in September as well. So all the events you can find on the Ocean Pines website, oceanpinesgolf.org, or give the Pro Shop a call and we're happy to explain them to you and pop in, you can do a little shopping, we'll give you a rundown and get you all signed up.
410-641-6057, and the website one more time.
oceanpinesgolf.org.
Great job. Great seeing you, man.
Great seeing you.
Great seeing you.
Appreciate you having me on.
Absolutely.